Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study about Windows 8 and we will give introduction to Windows 8. Windows 8 is the current release of the Windows operating system produced by Microsoft for use on personal computers including home and business desktops, laptops, tablets and home theaters PCs. Development of Windows 8 started before the release of its predecessors in 2009. Additional security features in Windows 8 include two new authentication tailored towards the touchscreen, which is PIN and picture passwords. The addition of antivirus capabilities to Windows Defender, bringing it in parity with Microsoft Security Essentials. Smart screen filtering integrated into the desktop and support for the secure boot functionality and UEFI system to protect against malware infecting the boot viruses. So this is the additional security features that is included in the Windows 8. Now let's see what is the minimum requirement of Windows 8. As you can see in this file, Windows 8 requires minimum 1 GHz processor for 32-bit or 64-bit architecture system. Minimum requirement for RAM, which is the random access memory, is 1 GB for 32-bit system, and for 64-bit system it is required 2 GB. Graphics card requirements are DirectX 9 graphics devices or any higher drivers. Display screen resolution for the PC is 1024 by 768 pixels. Input device needed is keyboard and mouse or a multi-touch display screen. Minimum hard disk requirement for installing Windows for 32-bit system 60 GB and for 64-bit system 20 GB. So this is the basic requirement of Windows 8. So this is the introduction to Windows 8. Thank you.